this video, I'm going to tell you about a huge victory because Jacques Laveau won this case on his first swing at the plate. The very first plan of action that he submitted, it was an intellectual property right complaint. And what Jacques did is he identified for Amazon in an insanely persuasive manner the removal of the ASIN, that we were not violating anybody's intellectual property rights, and that Amazon's policy is not to enforce distribution agreements. Jacques Laveau, great job. And this is an example of an old Cajun saying: it is easier to ride the horse in the direction that it's going. So we all know that Amazon doesn't enforce distribution agreements, and in the proper context, you can use that argument to get a fast reinstatement. Jacques, great job. Amazon sellers, submit your case to us 24/7 through our case submit button, by texting me, by emailing me, or calling me on the telephone. We are here for Amazon sellers to give you free information to help yourself and also to handle your plan of action needs if you want us to.